Hi, I am gonna demonstrate how I finished this task. The task was creating a web app using AI tools for assistance during development. The web app is a startup idea generator. The user enter fields such as industry and trend. Then the app generates a startup idea along with short non-linear page. I used React and Tailwind for good-looking UI. This response is mocked for now. The AI tools I used in this task were Claude and ChatGPT. I began the process by opening Claude. I copied the requirements from Google Docs file you gave me just for quick demonstration to inspire me. But the idea was clear enough for Claude to start building. It had built a React component with Tailwind CSS, and those options were perfect enough for me to choose. This first design was plain and simple, so I prompted that I need better UI and animation. So the model crafted more modern component with great style and better looking UI. Then I prompted that I need more dynamic fields for industry and trend. So the model crafted more dynamic fields with more modern UI. The field had lists for options for each field to choose from. I was satisfied with this result. I took it as a final result I'm gonna build the application with. So I started the local implementation by creating a folder and build opened VS Code inside this folder. I began starting the React app with Vite. Uh, Installed all the packages needed um, for React and for the component we crafted as Tailwind. Um, I had created two folders inside that code base, such as components and pages. Those are the folders I created for more clean and well-structured application. I pasted the component from the model from the Claude model, the final result we got from Claude here inside the component file, inside the component folder to be clean as much as possible. I created a page for that component um, to be able to add more components later if needed. Then I deleted the default code inside app.jsx and index.css and added those content, loaded the main page, the page we created here, loaded it inside app.jsx. This line was for Tailwind CSS. Then I updated the title here, the title and the fav icon inside index.html. I kept this name as it causes errors. It causes errors when I change it. I don't know why for now. I faced some problems related to Tailwind as the packages were incompatible with each other. I used ChatGPT and Tailwind documentation to overcome these issues. I installed those packages and those packages and some other packages here. Uh, 1 second. Yeah, and those packages as well. Uh, this was a solution I got from ChatGPT and Cloud documentation. Um, then updated the vite.config.js to include Tailwind. The issue resolved. This wasn't the original content for Tailwind here. This was the update for resolving the issue. Um, for ChatGPT debugging session, I started by giving it um the file structure, the content for crucial files such as vite.config.js, such as packages.json, packages.json, along with the issue prompt. Those were errors. We need to go to the top, along with the prompt here. I told him that Tailwind doesn't work. The style was too cool in theory and no problem with it. The render is too plain. There is no even a line with Tailwind was working. It suggested some potential issues along with some potential solutions, and at the end we got I used those solutions, pasted back the errors I had with it. The solution at the end was reinstalling all the packages, removing all packages, changing the versions, some versions from the packages, updating vite to config, updating index.css, installing these new packages I showed before, and the issue was solved. Then I deployed the application on Vercel. My plans to improve the app is with more time is to use AI API for creative and dynamic ideas, adding backend server to store previous actions for users, and to build a community, adding more fields such as target audience and business model for better educated results. Thank you. Sorry if recording is too long. Sorry.